Hi guys, do you ever struggle with English pronunciation? Don't worry, today I will show you 10 tricky words that many people say incorrectly and how to pronounce them the right way. Word number 1, Wednesday. This word not pronounced Wednesday. The correct way is Wednesday. The D is silent. I have a meeting on Wednesday. I have a meeting on Wednesday. Word number 2, comfortable. Many learners are saying comfortable, but the correct word is comfortable. This chair is very comfortable to me. Word number 3, receipt. Receipt. Here, the P in receipt is silent. Say receipt, not receipt. Don't forget to take your receipt. Word number 4, Colonel. This is strange. It pronounced Colonel, not Colonel. For example, he is the Colonel in the army. Word number 5, Pizza, not pizza. Listen carefully. Pizza. I love eating pizza on weekends. Word number 6, genre. Genre. This is a French word. It's pronounced by genre, not genre. For example, my favorite genre is comedy. Word number 7, salmon. Here, the letter I is silent. Say salmon, not salmon. For example, salmon is a healthy fish to eat. Word number 8, debt. Here, the letter B is silent. It's debt, not debt. For example, I have a lot of debt to pay. Word number 9, clothes. Not clothes, it's clothes. For example, she bought the new clothes today. Word number 10, cupboard. Cupboard. It's not cupboard. Here, the letter P is silent. Cupboard. For example, the sugar is in the cupboard. This is a bonus tip. The best way to improve pronunciation is to listen and repeat. Try practicing these words daily. Which word do you find hardest to say? Comment below. Like, share and subscribe for more. Bye.